Hey guys, so today I thought I would film myself using the new limecrime unicorn hair color conditioner. I use the unicorn dye quite frequently. When I had peach hair, it's what I used. When I had green hair, I also used the limecrime unicorn dye, so I really love their products. When I was working in salon as well, I would use their products. So I really liked them for clients and I really liked them on myself. So when they came out with the conditioners, I was super excited, especially because now that I'm blonde for the moment, using purple shampoo is really drying on my hair because it's got sulfates in it. So I'm excited to have a conditioner so I can like use this as a mask on my hair and it won't make my hair feel like ramen noodles. I just got my roots retouched by my stylist, Alyssa Wolf. She does all my hair colors normally, unless I'm doing a partnership with the brand, which this is actually for a partnership with the brand on Instagram, but I wanted to make a YouTube video using it because I felt like it. So I don't know how this is gonna look. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. Let's find out together. So because this was an ad with limecrime, paid partnership, they gave me instructions on how to do it. So I will be using gloves and I will be doing it not in the shower, obviously, because I have to film it. So I'm gonna do it here, and they want me to apply it to wet hair, so that's what I'll be doing today. And they said to leave it on just between 3 and 5 minutes. So that's what I'm gonna do. I feel like normally I would leave it on for maybe like 10 to 15 minutes because it's being applied on damp hair. It's going to kind of take a little bit longer to penetrate the hair, but then again, whatever. We'll see what 3 to 5 minutes looks like. So I just went and got my hair wet, and now I'm gonna start applying the color on it. So I'm gonna put gloves on because, I mean, I normally wouldn't put gloves on because I'd be in the shower and I just wouldn't care enough. But I guess I don't want to have purple hands and I don't know how pigmented this specific conditioner is, so I'm gonna do it. So basically I'm just loosely putting this in my hair. So I've got one side done. It looks really pretty, so now I'm just gonna do the other side. So it's not as pigmented as I thought it was gonna be, which is kind of nice, but it definitely feels like it's gonna do more than like a purple shampoo would. I usually use Milkshake as my purple shampoo, and I find that it's just so drying and it doesn't really color your hair. And like, I want to use purple shampoo to actually like turn my hair purple more or less. So this actually seems a lot more ideal for like what I want to do for my hair. So I definitely see myself using this a lot more. I'm just gonna let it sit in my hair now for 3 to 5 minutes, like limecrime told me, and then I'm gonna wash it out and we will see what it looks like. Just rinsed the conditioner out. I didn't use a whole bunch of this. I think I probably used quite a bit maybe, but then again, I think that's just because I wasn't doing it in the shower and I was kind of being a little bit meticulous with it just because it was a paid partnership, so I was like making sure I didn't miss anything. I feel like you'd use a lot less if you were just using it in the shower as literally a conditioner. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. It's really pretty. It's definitely a very pink tone purple, which is fine by me. And limecrime colors fade so pretty, and I know that this is gonna fade into like such a pretty, just like silvery blonde. Yeah, I mean, it's honestly quite even. Like, my roots are obviously a lot darker because they're freshly done and they're a level 10 and the rest of my hair is like a level 9, so it's not going to be even all the way through because of that, but that's not a big deal to me because I know this is going to fade out in like 3 washes, which is nice. So let's blow dry it and see what it looks like. Alright, so I just threw some curls in my hair really quickly, and this is what it looks like. So honestly, for a conditioner, I'm pretty impressed. Basically, this isn't supposed to be like a purple shampoo. It's not supposed to be like just a purple conditioner. It's a color refreshing conditioner. So you're meant to use this if you have purple hair and you're trying to keep up with it. So if you're just a blonde and you're just wanting to get like a really like ashy, cool tone blonde, obviously this will turn your hair purple. I prefer that though, because for me, I would rather have purple hair for a little bit and have a really, really nice icy ashy blonde once the purple fades out than just toning my hair constantly or using aggressive purple shampoo. So for me, this is super ideal, and yeah, I'm actually really happy with how it came out. So there you have it. That is what the limecrime unicorn hair purple conditioner looks like. I have a few other colors, so I think that when this fades out, I'm gonna try those ones. I have a pink one and I also have a peach one, so we'll see. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.